The inclusive summer camp by Tactopus brings to you perfect pen pal.
You'll need A4 paper, a pen, pencil or color pencils. Expressive writing can serve as a tool for children to improve their communication skills. Let's motivate them to write and express their feelings. Our children are already missing their superhero teachers, so let's send them our love via a letter. Ask your child to write a letter to their favorite teacher. Start with addressing whom they are writing the letter to. Make sure they let the superhero teacher know how much they've been missed. Help your child express their emotions with appropriate words and even images. Remember, being able to express feelings is more important than the mode of expression used. So if your child is not writing yet, let them use drawings instead. Prefer digital communication? Use a typing device or a voice recorder note instead. Bravo, you are now a perfect pen pal.
Take a video or a selfie and tag us. Follow, like, comment and share.